Hey everyone, today I'm gonna make Kylie Jenner ramen. This is very simple. There's a lot of recipes already on YouTube, but I want to try it using Maggi. This is a brand that you can find in Malaysia and some Southeast Asian countries and in Asian markets and everywhere. But yeah, this is a very popular brand in Malaysia. So I bought the chicken flavor because Kylie Jenner used chicken flavored ramen in her video. In her ramen. So I'm using Maggi chicken flavor, 1 egg, garlic powder, and butter. So this one I'm going to scramble it. I'm going to stir it well. Alright, and leave it there. So I am waiting for the water to be boiled, and then I'm going to put my ramen. Alright, so I'm gonna put my ramen, my noodles, and I'm gonna let it be half cooked, and I'm going to drain half of the water and leave half of it in the pot. So I have removed the half of the boiling water. So I'm going to put my eggs and stir it quickly so that it doesn't get lumpy. You have to stir it very quickly, and I will turn off the heat. I will stir it very quickly. I don't want any clumps. So at this point we are going to put the seasoning. I'm not going to finish the seasoning. This is the Maggi Ayam seasoning. Okay, so I'm going to stir them. Wow, I haven't eaten Maggi Ayam in a long time. So to make Kylie Jenner ramen, I have to use this because it's chicken flavor. So right now I'm just going to turn on the heat and let it kind of thicken a little bit. Okay, so right now I am going to put garlic powder, just like Kylie Jenner did, but I'm going to turn off the heat right now. Okay, so I'm going to put a lot of garlic powder, just like Kylie Jenner did, and I'm going to stir them. Oh my god. It smells so good. Oh my god, no wonder a lot of people make these recipes and they like it. No wonder. Okay, so I'm going to put my butter right now so that the sauce will thicken. So yep, we're going to mix them, stir them well. I am actually going to turn on the heat once again, probably for the last time. I want the sauce to thicken a lot. So as you can see, the butter has thickened the sauce a little bit. So yes, at this point I am going to add more garlic powder because I want it to smell more garlicky. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna stir them for the last time, and yep, and then I'm going to plate them and I'm gonna eat it. Oh, this smells so good, people. Okay, so I'm gonna plate it. Kylie Jenner ramen is done. Look at it, guys. It smells so good. No wonder everyone is trying this Kylie Jenner ramen. Look at that. Yes, you guys should try it.